Made this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys.
So usually when I do this hairstyle or anything similar to this, my hair is like this. It looks dreadful. So putting my hair in this hairstyle is a way I can get away from washing my hair for a few more days, just because sometimes I don't have the time, or if I'm rushing for college in the morning, you know. And also, this hairstyle is cute and it makes me look sophisticated because, you know, I'm not really on the sophisticated side, so this is a way I hide the fact that I am not sophisticated. Yeah. So before I do any sort of styling, I like to wet the part that I'm going to be sticking, just because it helps it detangle easier, and I just prefer to style on wet hair. So then I go in with a comb. I really should get a brush. I don't own one. Suggest good brushes to me, guys, because this is very difficult, me trying to tangle my hair with just a brush. Look at my face. I'm very confused why it's not working, but you know, Elodie, you don't have a brush. You should invest in one. So maybe don't follow this step and get a brush. Oh, there we go. I picked up one, which didn't help, but there we go. Okay, so now get a rat tail comb, thin tooth comb, or your dad's comb, which is what I borrowed, but he doesn't use it now because, oh, Elodie, it's got gel in it and I'm white and it's gonna make my hair dirty. So it's now mine, but yeah, you can take your dad's. I don't know if that's dandruff in my hair. Oh, it probably is, whatever. So then you just, you know, brush out the sides, your hair starts turning straight and limp and greasy, but you know, just carry on, it's gonna be okay. I don't know why I'm being so sarcastic in this video. Oh my gosh. So I was editing this video and I just wanted to point out that it wasn't dandruff. It was probably gel. I mean, if it was dandruff, then Susan, you probably get worse than me, so please don't. Sometimes you get a bit of dry scalp. But I'm getting triggered because I can just
picture the comment, or even if you don't make the comment, if you think it in your head and it's gonna trigger me.
And then you want to grab your black people brush and just brush your hair to make it smooth. Right now I'm just getting out the baby hairs because that's where I'm going to be doing my edges. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just stick it like the whole way down, but I prefer to do edges just because it, you know, looks cool. Adds a bit of flavor to my hairstyle. Then I tie up my hair, but not like properly, just in a loose ponytail, so I can kind of stick my hair, mainly sit my hair, and then later I'll go back and properly tie it up. So then I go in with my Eco Styler gel. This one is a coconut one and it's with brush. I don't really like this coconut one. I feel like it's better for your curls, but it doesn't actually hold it very well, so I should go back to the olive oil one because that one just slicked my hair. I didn't really need Got To Be glue, but now I gotta use Got To Be glue, but Got To Be glue is good, so. Okay, so the edges is I think the hardest part of this whole tutorial, but it's still easy, but it's not really very easy to explain. Like, you kind of just have to watch and learn and practice. Before you start anything, make sure you have like a good amount of gel on the part that you're doing your edges, because if it's kind of dry, if it's lacking product, it's not going to go that well. It needs to be wet because it's easier to like maneuver and manipulate. So if you see what I'm doing here, I'm just bringing the hair down and then swooping, bringing the hair down, swooping, and like I try and get it as straight as possible. So then I properly put my hair in a ponytail tight. I should have slicked it before I did that, but hey ho, you live and you learn. So yeah, if you don't slick it, you're gonna get waves like that at the back. But I mean, it doesn't really matter, it doesn't look bad. But if you want it to look really sick, which is what I was trying to do, but you know, it's okay. But yeah. So then I lay my sideburns. I don't want to call them sideburns, makes you sound manly. I don't know what correct word is, but the bits at the side by your ears, I am just going to make these bits curly. So you just get your gel, twist it around your finger, do some little swirly bits, and you're done. So now I do the front parts of my hair. Just swoop it, so like hold your finger and sweep over your finger. Yeah, again, self-explanatory, just watch and learn. So then we bring out the big guns, the got to be glue, the stuff that you should not use every day because that's really bad for you. But if you want a really slayed hairstyle every once in a while, got to be glue is your best friend because your hair will not move. Once you put got to be glue on your edges, on any part of your hair, it will stay. I use this kind of everywhere, but I try not to put loads because it's not really that good for your hair, because obviously it is such a strong hold and it probably doesn't have very good ingredients in either. But you know, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do sometimes. Risk things, you know, use bad stuff in your hair. So then to complete this look, I get some Eco Styler gel and put it on my ponytail because my hair is looking a bit crusty, can't really lie. So I had to put some product on there. This gel is not the type of gel you think, oh, it's going to make your hair crispy. Like, it is almost like a hair product. This particular Eco Styler is so weak. I don't really know why they say it's a max hold of 10 because it's really like a 4. But you know, just gonna use it. It makes my curls look nicer, so yeah. So that's all to the steps for this hairstyle. But obviously if you're not like satisfied with how it looks, you'll just do what I do and go over it and add more gel or fix something. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm going to try and do more curly hair videos on this channel just because I haven't done many and it was something that I really wanted to base my channel around, and I haven't really been doing that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below other videos you would like to see, and most importantly, subscribe and turn your post notifications on. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Surrender, retreat, y'all in too deep. Play hammer, keep, don't play on the weak.